best AI app builder. Here are the top tools worth checking out.
Number 4. Taskade. If you want less manual work, Taskade turns a single prompt into a working app, complete with AI agents and automations. You just describe your idea, a sales CRM, a client portal, a live dashboard, and it builds a whole workspace where your docs, data, and agents all live together. The workspace feels alive because agents remember context and handle repetitive tasks while automations keep everything moving. Users are building finance dashboards, team knowledge bases, HR portals, and even order trackers without writing a line of code. Recent reviews give it 4.2 out of 5, and many people mention how easy it is to get started. They talk about bringing an app idea to life in minutes, even with zero coding knowledge. Taskade's free plan lets you build 3 apps and clone community templates. For unlimited AI agents and automations, the Pro plan is $16 per month. Plans go up to $40 a month for business features, but you'll want to verify current pricing on their site since offers can change. If you want a no-code way to turn your business ideas into real working tools, Taskade is worth exploring. The link is in the description if you want to take a closer look.
Number 4. Blink. For anyone trying to save time, Blink positions itself as a full-stack AI app builder that lets you describe what you want in plain English and get a production-ready app back, already deployed and hosted. One of the bigger selling points is the AI Gateway, which gives your apps access to over 200 AI models through a single API key. That includes Claude Opus 4.7, GPT-5, Gemini 3 Pro, Grok 4, and DeepSeek, covering text, image, video, and speech in one place. You're not locked into one provider. There's also Blink Claw, which runs always-on AI agents across Slack, Telegram, and Discord. Each agent gets its own dedicated VM and persistent memory, so you can essentially set up AI employees that handle tasks around the clock without babysitting them. What really stands out is the alternatives angle. Instead of paying monthly fees for tools like Salesforce, Notion, ClickUp, or Shopify, you can build your own custom version tailored to exactly what you need. The community has already built over 50,000 apps across categories like CRM, e-commerce, dashboards, and help desks. User feedback backs this up with a 4.6 out of 5 rating across 25 recent reviews, with ease of use mentioned consistently as a highlight. Multiple reviewers called setup quick and the platform intuitive enough to use without formal training. Pricing starts free with 5 daily credits, and paid plans run from $25 a month for the starter tier up to $20 a month for Max, with annual billing cutting those costs roughly in half. It's worth checking the pricing page directly since plans and credit structures can change. The link is in the description if you want to take a closer look.
Number 2. Emergent. Emergent keeps the pitch pretty simple. Describe what you want to build, and AI agents handle the design, code, and deployment for you. No drag-and-drop interfaces to learn, no templates to wrestle with, just a conversation that turns into a working app. The platform covers both web and mobile, and it goes deeper than most. You can build custom AI agents, connect to external services, and handle back-end logic, not just front-end layouts. One reviewer in the dev space called it the best platform they'd use for both front-end and back-end work, saying it helped them win hackathons. What stands out is the code ownership. Everything Emergent generates belongs to you. You can push it to GitHub, download it, or host it wherever you want. That's a meaningful difference from tools that lock your project inside their ecosystem. Pricing starts free with 10 monthly credits, which is enough to explore the platform. The standard plan runs $20 a month and includes 100 credits, private hosting, and GitHub integration. Pro is $200 a month and adds custom AI agents, a 1 million token context window, and priority support. Worth noting that some users found credit usage hard to predict mid-project, so keep that in mind when picking a plan. User ratings sit at 4.8 out of 5, with reviewers highlighting how quick setup is and how smooth the build and deploy process feels even without a coding background. Check the link below for details.
Number 2. Softr. Softr keeps the pitch pretty simple. Describe the app you need, and its AI co-builder handles the interface, database, and workflows for you. It's built for teams that want functional portals and internal tools without waiting on developers. And you can iterate with AI or fine-tune everything visually. The platform replaces scattered spreadsheets and off-the-shelf tools by giving you a built-in database to store and manage data, plus workflow automations that connect your whole tech stack. You can pull in live data from Airtable, Google Sheets, HubSpot, Notion, and dozens of other sources. Then layer on secure user rules and permissions. Real teams are putting this to work. Celonis built a go-to-market knowledge base for over 1,500 team members, and Urban's group increased productivity by 25% with a custom ERP system. Users consistently highlight how fast they can go from idea to a working app, often in days instead of weeks. Across recent reviews, Softr holds a 4.7 out of 5 rating, with many people calling out the responsive support and how the AI co-builder simplifies complex setups. One reviewer mentioned the AI turned days of development work into about 20 minutes, which gives you a sense of the speed. Pricing starts at $0 for the free plan, which includes 5 AI credits per month, 10 app users, and unlimited apps. Paid plans scale from basic at $49 per month up to business at $269 per month with custom enterprise options available. Since plans and limits can change, you'll want to verify current pricing on their site. If you need to build client portals, CRMs, dashboards, or internal tools without code, Softr is worth a close look. The free tier makes it easy to test before committing. Check the link below for details. Number 1. Lovable. For this category, Lovable stands out because it turns a simple chat description into a real working web app right before your eyes. You start by describing your idea or even dropping in screenshots and documents. From there, the AI builds a live prototype in real time, handling everything from the front-end layout to back-end connections with Supabase for authentication and databases. What makes this feel different is how quickly you can iterate. You give feedback in plain language and the app updates on the spot. Once you are happy, you can deploy it to a custom domain with a single click. The platform also gives you full code ownership through GitHub, so the project is never locked inside the tool. When you need to hand off to a developer, they get clean React and TypeScript code they can actually work with. Users consistently praise the speed and the strong integration support. One reviewer mentioned building a paid waitlist with Stripe in under 30 minutes. Another highlighted how the visual editor lets you tweak colors and text without burning through credits. The overall rating sits at 4.4 out of 5, with many calling out how fast they can go from idea to a live, shareable product. On pricing, there is a free plan to get started, then Pro at $25 a month and Business at $50 a month, both billed manually. Enterprise plans are custom. Keep in mind, the platform runs on a credit system, so heavier usage may require top-ups. I would recommend checking the current pricing page to see what fits your workflow. If you want to skip 2 weeks of scaffolding and see your idea working today, this is worth a close look. See the description to try it.